Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be sharing with you this DIY. It's like a coastal or beach decor. This is perfect for the guest bathroom and I think that's where I'm going to place it. And in my sailboat I have some potpourri that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and definitely you can change that out and put other things in there and other decoration if you'd like. But I made this using mostly Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. To make the base for this, I'm going to go in with this laundry sign from Dollar Tree. I love how it looks like a surfboard, but I'm going to take the little twine out and I'm going to peel the tag off. And I'm going to also take off the little clips from the front. You can easily just pop them off, but if it gives you a hard time, just use your wire cutter and it should just come right off. And now we're going to flip the board over and I'm going to add rope to this. So I'm going to go in with hot glue and I'm going to go all around with my rope. Notice I did leave the sticker in the center. I noticed that my bowl is going to cover it anyway, so I'm not going to worry about taking it off. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and hit that bell because I have really good videos coming up for you. Now here is the plastic bowl that I ended up using, and I went ahead already and spray painted it white. Now you can use that bowl or any bowl with that same shape will do. Now I'm going to go in with hot glue and I'm going to glue it onto my board. Now to make the sail itself, I'm going to go in with dowel sticks from Dollar Tree. These two are 12 inches and I'm going to go in with a 6-inch down in the middle. But what you want to do is you want to have it spaced out. And remember that twine that I took off the board? I'm going to wrap it onto the top just to give it a nicer look, I guess. And then we're going to go in with that 6-inch and place it in the middle. Here I have my shorter stick and I'm going to glue it where it touches both ends. Basically what you're trying to do here is like the letter A, and I'm going to go in with my glue gun and glue it there. But first I'm going to cut only one side where it touches because you need one of the sides longer because that's where we're going to glue, or that's how we're going to glue our sail onto our bowl. Now here I have this scarf from Dollar Tree. I did pick this up a while ago, but this technique was kind of tricky, to be honest. This fabric was kind of hard to work with, but I still went with it. But you can make your sail out of any fabric. The thing is with this one is that it was kind of stretchy, so I guess it could be a good thing and a bad thing, but I ended up just wrapping it with that scarf and just cutting off the extra piece. But for this part, you can get creative, make it your own, and use anything you have on hand. Or you can even use felt instead of a scarf, and it should be easier to work with. Now I'm just going to cover the entire thing, making my sail and just gluing everything in place. Now it's time to take my sail and I'm going to glue it in the center of the bowl, and I'm going to apply extra hot glue Remember, you're going to have to hold this in place for a while just to make sure that glue dries and it doesn't tip over, and feel free to add more glue. As you see there in the center, I definitely went back in with my glue gun and added more glue in there. These little pieces that you see there, they're from my son's toy. He donated it to Tina Did It's channel. So I ended up using a barrel on the side and the captain's wheel right there in the middle, just to add a little pop, I guess. But you can get creative and add just whatever you have on hand, or you can pick up a few seashells from Dollar Tree and just add them around the boat. On the left side here in the suitcase, I'm going to add some marbles or pebbles, and on the right side in that barrel, I'm going to add some mini seashells. Now it's time to add the potpourri that I got from Dollar Tree. The bag comes in different colors. I believe there was also the theme where it was green and brown, but that one was the smell of lemon, I believe. So I went with the lavender. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today. I went with the lavender scent. So I'm going to open the bag up and I'm going to pour it into my bowl. Remember, you don't have to go in with potpourri at all. You can go in with seashells if you'd like. Any decorations that you might have on hand that's like coastal or beach themed, you can just throw that in the middle in the bowl itself. But as for me, I'm going to go in with this and I'm going to place this into the guest bathroom, or I can see this being a centerpiece as well, like on a dining table if you'd like. So yeah, so definitely take the idea, make it your own, and get creative. And I'm going to add one last touch. I'm going to go in with the net from Dollar Tree, and I did cut a little piece from it and I'm going to glue it onto the side of the boat. Now I'm just going to go ahead and glue that in place, and that's pretty much it. Here is the final product. I'm definitely pleased with the way it turned out, but I want to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. Drop a comment and tell me, would you change anything? Would you do anything differently? What do you think? I personally love it, and I think it's going to be a great addition to my beach decor and my beach themed bathroom, because that's what I'm going for this year. Oh, and I did forget to mention earlier, I did cut the strands. I gave them a little trim back there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but from the scarf, it did end up being kind of too long for me, so I did give it a little trim, and that's why it looks shorter here. I think I like it better that way. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!